So today I'll be taking you through one common washing machine problem, and that is the problem. It's a DE error. It's a common washing machine problem. In most cases, it occurs when people don't lock the door. When you don't lock the washing machine door, so it will display a DE error. DE means door error, or that is one cause if you don't close the washing machine door. The other cause is the door lock switch. This is how a door lock switch looks like. These are a Samsung door lock switch. This is the full automatic, and this is a semi-automatic one. This is fully automatic. LG, we have these ones. This is fully automatic, like the one that this brand uses is this one, and this one is the semi-automatic one. This one takes around 1 minute to open the door. This one opens the door automatically. These two opens the door automatically. These two take around 1 minute to open the door. So if the door lock switch are faulty, the same error code will display. So the second cause, the first cause is if you won't lock the door. The second cause if it's a faulty door lock switch. The third cause is the wiring, the wire to the door lock switch. If the wire is cut or it's loose, it will show the same error code. And the final cause is the communication between the PCB and the door lock switch. If the PCB won't send a message to the door lock switch, or if the same. If the PCB won't send a message to the door lock switch, it will display the same issue. So 1, door not closed. 2, door lock switch problem, or if it's faulty. 3, if the wire is cut, like if a rat has eaten the wire. And finally, if the PCB is faulty. So in most cases, people just think if there's a DE error code, it's the door lock that is not the door is not closed. No, there are other causes that can cause that door lock switch. So subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.